Hai, apa kabar? How are you? I'm Heri Purnama. I'm chef from Indonesia. Welcome to my first YouTube channel. In this channel, I would love to introduce and share with all of you, wherever you are, the most authentic of Indonesian home-style cooking recipes, which is including how to make basic Indonesian bumbu or spice base, how to make variety of sambals or Indonesian chili sauce, and also how to make traditional herbal immune drink called Jamu, which is now a very high demand, especially in this situation, in all over the world. Before we start, I would love to share about my culinary background. Okay, in here there are three basic bumbu or spice base, which are the basic and commonly used for Indonesian cooking within 34 provinces of Indonesia. Red paste, yellow paste, and white paste. On the next video, I will show you how to cook chicken with white paste called opor ayam, or braised chicken in coconut milk. Now, I'm going to make a simple herbal drink called kunyit asam, or sour turmeric. This is one of my favorite drink, herbal drink, and it is also a very good drink for women during PMS. It can be drink cold or warm, after meal of course. Drinking cold after all these activities, it can help to refresh your body. Let's start to make the herbal immune drink. It's very simple how to make. Here are some of the ingredients. We have here some turmeric, tamarind, lemongrass, ginger, Himalayan salt, lime. Optional, here I've got some rosella flour, palm sugar. I got some honey here. If you don't want to use some palm sugar, you can substitute with honey. Okay? And 750 ml of water. I got some prepared ingredients here already. I sliced the turmeric and the ginger. But before we start, let me share some good benefits about the turmeric. Turmeric or curcuma is a powerful fighting inflammation to relieve pain while supporting and strengthening our immune system. So that's some of the good benefits about turmeric, and many more of course. Okay, what I'll do first, I'm gonna add some water. Very simple way to cook. Yeah. I'm gonna add some turmeric here, lemongrass, ginger, all the ingredients beside the lime. Why the lime I put at the end? Just to bring up the flavor at the end. So I'm gonna add lime. So we just wait until the jamu or immune drinks to strain them. Okay, I'm going to strain them. Slow the flame. We can switch it off. You can smell the fragrance of the turmeric, ginger, tamarind. It's fresh and looks like delicious. Okay. So this is the immune drink that I just now strained. It's still hot. It's normally I drink it at night just to keep the body warm. But now I'm going to drink with some ice on it just to keep it fresh. Normally I drink it during daytime. Wow, look at that. See the natural color from the turmeric, and I can smell the fragrance from lemongrass as well as from the ginger. So I'm going to add a little bit of honey on it to balance. There you go. Wow, it looks very fresh. And then I'm going to add some lime on it. Go. Stir. There you go. Wow, it's amazing. It's a fresh and very healthy. It's immune drink, booster herbal drink. It keeps you healthy. It's very worth it. Wow, it's very fresh. So keep following me on this channel because I will bring you more homestyle cooking recipes using richest variants of herbs and spices from Indonesia. Let me know in the comments of what do you think of that fresh and healthy sour turmeric herbal drink. And don't forget, the next video I'm going to show you how to cook opor ayam and another immune booster. So I'll see you soon. Sampai jumpa.